Hey buds and beauties, welcome to Life Phenomenon, and today I'm gonna be unboxing, reviewing and giving my verdict on the Noise Truly wireless earbuds. I'm doing the unboxing on the first day and I'm using them for 2 days and then giving the review and verdict, but I'm clubbing them all in one video so that you can at the end of this video make a decision whether you should buy the Noise Truly wireless earbuds under 3000 rupees or not. Goes without saying that I have reviewed Realme Buds, Sport Eardobs, OnePlus Buds Z in this price range, and I am giving the review only after using all of them. So stay tuned for the review. It's gonna be a blast for you guys to make a decision. The box itself is very lightweight. It feels like there is nothing else apart from the buds inside the box. It's very lightweight, not actually of good material. I can just feel that. The representation part is also very important aspect of representing a product. So OnePlus does it so well that this box feels like dirt cheap if you compare with that. Right off the bat, you can see the Noise earbuds. And yeah, you can also see that this company didn't even put effort in renaming it. It's just earbuds. It's not Eardobs or Buds Z or something like that. Again, as I just mentioned, the box quality is worst. Even if you buy the fake TWS, you can get better quality box than this box. So it is some BS that nobody really cares about. I don't know how this company approached Nora Fatehi for being their brand ambassador. I just don't know. I really just don't. There is only one use of the manual is to just see what touch controls are present on the earbuds. Apart from that, let's just put all this crap outside and focus on the earbuds. And yes, of course, it comes with USB type C. I'm not sure if it comes with fast charging or not, but I'm gonna see that. I'm gonna mention that in the video. Here are the Noise Truly wireless earbuds. First impressions, very plasticky, very cheap feeling. You can see that the charging case mentions 5 volt 1 ampere, which means it's not a fast charging case. First time opening the case, oh my god, the feeling is even worse. When you open the case, it just feels like a toy. You are not paying 2500 to buy a toy, right? If you open this charging case and OnePlus Buds Z charging case side by side, you'll feel the difference. You'll know what I'm talking about. There is this protective cover on the earbuds, both of the earbuds. You have to remove them as it was mentioned. I mean even if it's not mentioned, of course it has to be removed. People were using with these protective cover on. I mean, why? This is not a car with that seat cover on. You will not remove it for ages. It's not like that. You have to remove it. And again, first impressions of the earbuds, very plasticky. It feels like it'll break in like 2-3 days, just like a kid's toy. The magneticity of the case is also not that much, but one weird thing that I noticed while doing this magnetic test is that the case outside is also magnetic, which was not required by the way, Noise. I mean, either they just forgot to, tweak this setting in the final version, or they just launched the prototype version in the market. I don't know what's happening here. Why would you make a case outside of the where the magnetic field should be magnetic? I mean, why would you do that? This actually makes the charging case very weird, because even if you want to just snap the buds inside the charging case, maybe sometimes you won't be able to do that. Maybe you just stick the earbuds somewhere else on the charging case rather than where it should rest. One thing I must appreciate is that the outside of the case is very magnetic. I mean, the buds are not falling down. Now coming on to the fitting test and then followed by shake test, let me just fit the earbuds in my ears basically. Now the buds do fit very well in the ears, but they are not the one of the most premium feel. They are not even premium. They just feel very plasticky and very cheap in the ears. And if you compare the fit, they are most likely very comparable to Apple AirPods. I mean, not in the area of being premium, just the fit wise. It's got the same stick like structure as the Apple AirPods and the OnePlus Buds Z. Let me just now put both of the earbuds in my ears and do a very quick shake test. One of the buds fell like how Black Widow fell into that hole in Vormir. Now coming on to the touch controls of the earbuds. So they have mentioned in the guide is that play pause, tap twice on either earphone to play pause the music, tap the left earphone thrice, okay, to play the previous song, and tap the right earphone thrice to play the next song. Tap the right earphone once to up the volume, and I think also it's the tap the left earphone once to down the volume. So a bit confusing, but you'll get used to it. It's just twice. If you tap twice, you will play pause the music, and if you thrice tap it, you will play the next and the previous song. And you will, if you tap once, you will increase the volume and decrease the volume. Actually, I would say the touch controls implementation is really nice. I would say it's nice. Yeah, you can remember that. You can get used to it, and it can get very handy. As I previously mentioned, that I've been using this noise earbuds from the past 2 days now, and here is my ratings and quality test. Is that the bass and the treble, the sound quality overall is not good. It's just not good. I'm saying that, because I want to make sure that under 3,000 rupees you can actually make a good decision. I would say the sound quality of OnePlus Buds Z and Boat AirDops is much better than these. The sound quality of noise earbuds sound very childish. The bass and treble is not very well, and the sound is also not clear. The sound clarity is like 5 out of 10. It's not good, guys. That was everything I was also expecting from a company like Noise. They don't make good products. That's what I've heard, and this is the first product that I've purchased actually. And yeah, they don't make good products. They have a very childish bass. They have a very childish sound quality and clarity. And even if you don't talk about the sound clarity and quality, the product representation was just straight 2.5 out of 10. It was not good. It was, if you just take out the box of a OnePlus product, you'll see they are presenting the product like they mean it, like they mean they wanna, be in the market and dominate. I can only say that there is a lot of improvement in the noise products as of now. They are not good, and I would recommend not buying it under 3,000 rupees, under 2,500 rupees, or even if they are, I think they were available at 2,300 rupees for discount. Don't buy it. Don't just put your money in these products. Go for Boat AirDops. Wait for their sale. They are available. I purchased the Boat AirDops for 1,999. Yes, I purchased them for 1,999, and they're awesome. The Boat AirDops are really nice. That's it for this video, guys. I think this video is shorter than the other don't buy the Buds videos, but yeah, this review was so simple. The verdict was so simple. It's just that you just don't buy noise earbuds. I mean, I saw a person who commented on my video that noise earbuds are better than OnePlus Buds Z or Boat AirDops, but they're not. They are not better. They are not even recommended. Even if the price drops to 1,500 rupees, I don't think you should buy it. You should go for the fake Apple AirPods instead of these. They have better quality than these, truly. If you have any comments, do let me know in the comment section below, and do like the video if you liked it, and subscribe for more awesome videos that are coming on your way. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out, bye bye, and wash your hands.